How to report a fraud or scam on Cash App. If you send a payment on Cash App and later on you came to know that it was a scam, there are a few ways that you can look up the things that you need to do or contact or report this fraud to Cash App. So if you also want to learn this process, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. From the home screen of Cash App, you'll need to head over to the profile section, which is on the top right. From here, you'll land on the account section. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the option called support. Just tap on the support option. Once you tap on support, you can see a bunch of options that you can look for to solve your issues. What you can do is search for scam on this search bar, but a better way is to directly chat with the Cash App support team. So scroll down to the bottom of this page. On the bottom of this page under contact us, you'll be able to see the option called chat. Just tap on the chat option and a chat box will open up. This is the official support section of Cash App, so you'll need to explain each and every detail of the fraud or the scam that you faced. Make sure you add in your payment ID and the detailed explanation of the fraud. So once you start typing, a representative from Cash App will start to chat with you, and make sure you address every detail that is possible. So by following these steps and reporting the fraud or scam to the Cash App team, hopefully the issue that you're facing would be solved. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.